What's up, Mighties? It's Grace. So today is Friday, July 19th, 2018. It's around 3:45 p.m. and I am in the middle of packing for a fun little 6-day cabin trip with my cousins Aaron and Andrew. You probably know them from Awesome Aaron. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what I'm packing in. And I've packed quite a bit already. There's like a ton of stuff below this. And then here is my packing list. I always think it's like so important to have a packing list. I have a few different sections: entertainment, toiletries, clothes, and other. And then here's my clothes for tomorrow. I always like to lay that out when I'm going on a trip. One of the things I'm bringing up to the cabin is a bunch of snacks. And I'm bringing these snacks because not the Sunday you're seeing this, but the next Sunday I'm going to be posting a special video that has to do with snacks, and my cousins will be in it. So yeah, look forward to that. Just if you guys were wondering, I normally go to my aunt's cabin in Wisconsin. It's in Barnes, Wisconsin. You probably don't know where that is. But anyway, this cabin is my other aunt's cabin, and it is like near Tower, Minnesota. So it's like pretty different from the one I normally go to. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up my entertainment stuff, and I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, here's what I still need to pack. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 things left to pack, which isn't that many, but I can't really pack any of them now, and it's very annoying. Okay guys, so I made dinner. I am having some pasta and mango. It looks really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and I'll update you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's like 6 p.m. I think, and I have a few things I need to do tonight. One, I need to like get my packing at least 3/4 of the way done. I'd say now I'm like half done, in between 3/4. I just need to pack up a few things that I really don't want to forget. 2, I need to edit this video and schedule it to go up on Sunday. 3, I need to like sort out the snacks I bought for the video that's going up in like a week. So I need to do that, and I really just want to make sure that I'm all done packing. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, and you'll see me doing those things in a bit. You will see them in my next video. But I will show you a little bit of something that you guys might like. Here is my hint without showing you anything. If you didn't catch my drift right there, the snacks we will be trying are going to be Asian. So I need to pack these up. Alrighty guys, so I've made a little bit of progress. I packed up all my snacks. Here's the bag that they're in. So what's in there is a secret. I'm hoping to film that video on Saturday or Sunday, and it'll go up to you the next Sunday, like the 29th, I think it is, or something. I've also packed a fishing pole just because My cousins really like to fish. Honestly, I think I'm pretty close to packing and I should be able to the rest of the morning. So, I need to edit this pretty soon. But there's one thing I'd like to show you. So I don't know if this like bothers anyone else except for me. This is very important, by the way, but see my chandelier? If it will focus. All the light bulbs are like this. Like 4 of them are like that, but then one of them burnt out. So we got this one, which as you can see, that's the normal one. That's the new one, and the new one does this. Just that one, just the one light bulb makes that obnoxious reflection on the ceiling. So every time I walk in, I'm like, and then there's that. You know, that didn't used to happen before I got that one new light bulb. Oh, and there's more. With these lights, I recently got lampshades for them. And we had to get the same kind of light bulb with the weird white bottom. I think they're like eco-smart. But they make this obnoxious like hotel hallway. That's exactly what it is. These are like the light reflections that go up in the hotel hallway. No one wants to see those. Like, think about how nice it would look if those weren't there. Just here, oh, there. That looks so much better. Is this just me? Because it can't just be me. I can't be the only person that this bothers. Like, honestly, I'm just very. I need a minute. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Okay. There it is. Do you see that? Seriously, like every 2 minutes, an airplane flies over my house, and these windows are supposed to be soundproof. Also, just like ruining my content. What was I saying? Oh yes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Subscribe and be sure to come back next Sunday for a very exciting video that involves the contents of this bag. Anyway, then be sure to like and subscribe to this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and don't forget to comment. Also, you guys, like for the longest time, like probably a good 6 months, I've been putting like a question in the description of every single video that relates to the video, and no one ever answers them. So like, you should really just click the view or load more in the description and answer that question. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. I'll see you guys next Sunday for that very exciting video. Bye!